Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about faith, family, home, and farm. I hope you find something on our channel that will encourage you and inspire you on your journey. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, hit like and subscribe, and be sure to turn that little notifications bell on so you'll get notified every time a brand new video is uploaded. We hope to see you in each and every one. Thanks for watching.
Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. Dear hubby loves granola bars, and I have already made on a video baked granola bars. So this time he wants to try the refrigerated granola bars, okay? So that's what we're going to do today, and I got my other little lovely assistant, okay? So who's going to stare at the camera, okay? So these are also... You can turn these into protein balls, or you can flatten them out and do the bars. So he wants to do the granola bars today. And these are no bake. They're just going to get mixed together, and they go flattened out in a pan, and they go in the refrigerator to harden up, and then you cut them into bars. Easy peasy. I'm going to see, she's learning to read. I'm going to see if she can read the recipe, and I'll help her, and y'all can write this down, but I'll also put it in the description box below. Okay, so what is this right here? 2.5 cups peanut butter. Okay, and then that's 2/3 cup honey or syrup or molasses, your sticky sweetener, okay? All right, wait a minute. Okay. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, okay? 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. That's ½ teaspoon salt. Good job. ½ teaspoon salt. 2.5 cups. What's this word? Oats. Oats. 2.5 cups rolled oats. 1/3 cup mini. Know what that word is? Chocolate chips. Okay, you can use chocolate chips. You can do, I'm not going to put chocolate chips in these this time for him. You can use a dried fruit of your choice. He likes the low sugar cranberry, craisins it's called. Okay, 3 teaspoons. That's tablespoons because it has a B. Tablespoons. Nuts of your choice. Okay, so I've already got crunchy peanut butter, and I've got some sunflower kernels in here, and we're gonna substitute the chocolate chips for the cranberries. Okay, now to the mixing bowl, you're gonna combine your wet ingredients, and y'all, peanut butter is better when it's melted with your sticky sweetener like honey, molasses, or syrup. I can't use honey right now. I'm using sugar-free syrup to make it. I'm using sugar-free syrup. Okay, Atlee, can you get this out of here? Yeah. Put that in there. It's gonna be goopy because we've already melted it one time, but I've got my fan on and it cooled it off. So you want me to get this in here? Okay. We're going to put our peanut butter and our syrup that we melted together in the bowl. There we go. And this is either going to make I'm going to have to look at it. I'm going to say this is going to make a 9x13 dish. But I've got 2 little smaller baking. That's hot on the bottom. Be careful, okay? It's still warm on the bottom. I don't want you to burn your face. All right, see, that's so much easier to get out. I may have to get you a bigger spoon. Okay, now, to the wet ingredients or the melted peanut butter, and that you put your oats. So that's 2.5 cups of the oats. I think this is going to make a 9x13. Very good. Add this. Very good. Try to see if you can stir that, but don't sling them out of the bowl or we'll have oats everywhere, won't we? Okay, now a little bit of vanilla
I'm
extract.
gonna do it.
Very gently. You don't just go put in there. This is vanilla. A little bit. Oh, I know something else that he likes. He wants a little bit of wait. You gotta measure. You gotta measure. Okay, see if this will go down in there. I'll tell you what. Let me hold your hand out. I can eyeball a half a teaspoon of the salt, but I can eyeball it. Right there. Dump it in. I just know how to eyeball a half a teaspoon. Okay, start stirring. He wants just a little bit of extra sweetener, and he loves, I have to use sugar-free things for him, but he can handle brown sugar, okay? He can't do regular sugar, okay? And he can do brown sugar. It doesn't hurt him. So everybody's different with their diabetic needs and stuff like that. For some reason, brown sugar does not spike his. Go figure, okay? And I'm using my sticky sweetener, sugar-free syrup. But we still want just a little bit of sweetness, so I'm going to get him some brown sugar. I may need to get you a tougher spoon, because it's tough for that little spoonula, ain't it? Okay, now we're going to add some cranberries, and I'm going to get you a different spoon. And we are going to get you we got to get the brown sugar. You think that's enough, or we need some more?
A little bit more.
That's enough. That's enough. She said that's enough. Okay, let me get you a tougher, harder spoon. Hey. Let me get you a tougher spoon and some brown sugar. Let's see. Here's you a good tough spoon. There you go. You ought to be able to stir it now.
Here you go.
Yeah. Let me get you the brown sugar. Keep stirring, sister.
I'm gonna put that there.
Yeah, we'll scrape that off in just a minute. Just a teeny tiny bit of brown sugar. He likes just a little bit of sweetness. He don't like, sometimes y'all, when you're having to go low sweetener or no sweetener, it takes a lot of the taste away, but substitute with some things. You can use monk fruit in here. You can use, what's the swerve sweetener, something like that that's granulated. He can handle brown sugar. See if you got to get down to the bottom and scoop and twirl and yeah, like a bulldozer. All right, let's see if I can get this off this spoon. There's a little bit more of this in here. Ooh. Now I'll try to start get that off the bottom. My granddaughters love to be doing what I'm doing, and I'm teaching them how to cook and bake at the same time. So winner, winner, chicken dinner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Y'all are learning at the same time. Hey, kill two birds with one stone. All right, you think you can do that? You think you can stir it, or is it too hard? If it gets too hard for you, you let me know, and I'll take over stirring.
It kind of hurt my hand.
Hurt your hand? Okay. You can lick the spoon, but don't stick it back in there, okay? Okay.
No.
Oh, yeah, that is hard to stir, ain't it? You just make sure, huh? Do you want to see if you can get that out of there? Look at that. The little one helped me make something the other day, so now it's Cece's turn to help make something. Oh my gosh. Peanut butter is sticky, yeah. You just mix all your ingredients together till your oats and everything is incorporated. I think he's going to like this, Atlee. Oh. You getting that? We love us some peanut butter too. Okay, you did a good job combining. You did a good job. Okay, now.
Apples are good with peanut butter.
Oh yes, apples are awesome with peanut butter. That's a good snack for kids, y'all. I had to put something in my pan with my parchment paper because I got my fan on and it's blowing everywhere. Okay, so we're going to start putting this in our pans with lined parchment paper because when I get these out of the refrigerator, this is going to be easier to lift out of the pan. Okay, so I'm going to see if this is a 9x13. Oh, okay, and it's hard to get down in there. We're going to start smushing down in our pan. It may all fit in one pan. Let me see. I don't want the bars too thick, but I don't want them too thin either. So, y'all, I may have to get my hands into here. Let's see. You know what? No, I don't want to use the bottom of my thing. I think this is all going to fit in one pan. I think it's going to smush down really good because I got to get to the corners. Yeah. Now, you can double this and make a 9 by 13. I really don't know. Let me, my hands are clean, y'all. Let me look and see if I need to, because I don't want them so fat. And like I said, y'all can either do the bars and put these in the refrigerator, or you can roll these up and make the protein balls. And these are a good snack, y'all, to take, you know, put in lunch boxes. These are going to be awesome to put in lunch boxes because they're going to be refrigerated. And then you put an ice, I'm going to say all this is going to fit in here. I don't know. Y'all, I can't make up my mind. I don't want to get them too fat because since I am doing the bars, I don't want to get them too fat. Okay, he's probably going to like them like that anyway. So we're going to put these in here. And I'm going to smush these. Smush these down. Woo. Okay. Hey, be careful with that spoon in your mouth jumping around, okay? You be careful too out there, okay? All right. Now, yes, you can have what's left in that bowl. All right, we are going to smush this into the corners first. Yeah, this about this size pan. Now, you can double this if you want to do a 9 by 13. Or if you want to make more protein balls, double the recipe. And I will put the recipe in the description box below. This is good. This makes like one size of the, excuse me, we had breakfast. One size of this. You got to feed these hungry kids, okay? You like that?
I like the spoon.
Yeah, you can lick the spoon. Since we're done with that bowl. All right, whoa, be careful, be gentle. Hey, listen, y'all don't fall off that stool, okay? I don't think any kids will be hurt in the making of this video, but so we are prone to somebody falling off a stool, okay? There you go, get down real gentle. Okay, this is pretty good right here. This is pretty good. Now, all you do, you either make the bars, smush them down into your pan, flatten them, or roll these into protein balls. Y'all, like I said, these, even if you can bake these if you want to, or do the refrigerated, okay? Do the cold ones, okay? They will pack easily in a lunch box. And you've got some extra protein and nuts and peanut butter, well, protein, and your dried fruits, y'all, to give it extra nutrition, okay? All right, girls. That's good. All we're going to do, I'm going to wash my hands. All I'm going to do is I'm fixing to stick this pan in the refrigerator and give it at least 30 minutes. And then take it out and then cut them into bars and do a taste test, okay? If you want to leave it overnight, that's fine. As long as you leave it in your refrigerator long enough for it to harden up to where you can cut it into bars and then eat it without it plopping out of your hand, okay? All right, girls, we have granola bars. They're going to finish snacking on that. They're not worried about GMO anymore. Okay, this is going in the refrigerator. We're going to leave it in there for a little while, and then we'll get it out, cut it into bars, and I'll let them see what it tastes like because I think they're already going to like them. This is going in the refrigerator.
I don't like raisins.
She don't like the crazy. She doesn't like dried fruit. So, and that's where you can fix it up, like with things for kids, like the mini chocolate chips, butterscotch chips, white chocolate chips, anything sweet that they like, okay? But since I'm doing this for him, he wants the craisins in there. So this is going to go in the refrigerator, and we're going to take it out a little bit, cut it into bars, and see what it's like. Okay, y'all, it is time to taste test this granola. I don't have my little buddies though here to taste test because about 30 minutes after we put those in the refrigerator and we were just fixing to get them out and taste test them, their daddy came and picked them up. So they didn't get to taste test and they were in a hurry because they were going to lunch somewhere together. So it's up to me to taste test. So I'm fixing to go in here and see what it tastes like and I'll let you know, okay?